Plant FAQs, Platycerium veitchii. Platycerium veitchii. Unveiling the silver staghorn fern's secrets. Hi there, Veitchii here, and I'm a passionate plant enthusiast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Platycerium veitchii, also known as the silver staghorn fern. This captivating epiphyte, native to Queensland, Australia, has captured the hearts of plant lovers with its unique beauty and resilience. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving silver staghorn fern. What makes the Platycerium veitchii special? The silver staghorn fern stands out for its striking appearance. It boasts two distinct frond types. Sterile fronds. These broad, shield-shaped fronds are typically a beautiful shade of green and cling to the mounting surface, resembling a stag's antlers, hence the name. Fertile fronds. Upright and finger-like, these fertile fronds unfurl from the center of the plant and showcase clusters of brown spores, responsible for reproduction. The silvery hairs that grace the sterile fronds not only add a touch of elegance, but also play a crucial role in moisture retention, making this fern surprisingly adaptable to drier environments. Silver staghorn fern versus staghorn fern. Understanding the differences. While the silver staghorn fern shares the staghorn moniker with its close relative, the staghorn fern, Platycerium bifurcatum, there are some key distinctions. Size. The silver staghorn fern generally grows smaller, with a mature size of around 12 to 18 inches, compared to the staghorn fern's potential to reach 2 to 3 feet. Frond shape. The silver staghorn fern's sterile fronds have a more rounded and shield-like shape, while the staghorn ferns tend to be more elongated and lobed. Hairs. The silver staghorn fern boasts denser, silvery hairs on its sterile fronds, contributing to its drought tolerance. Bringing home a silver staghorn fern. Choosing the right plant. When selecting your silver staghorn fern, keep these pointers in mind. Size. Consider the space you have available. Opt for a smaller plant if you're limited on room. Health. Look for a fern with vibrant green sterile fronds and healthy, unfurling fertile fronds. Avoid plants with brown or yellowing fronds. Mounting. Choose a plant already mounted on a suitable material like a coconut husk or corkboard. How to care for Platycerium veitchii. Platycerium veitchii thrives with proper care. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the fronds. Watering. Water deeply when the potting mix feels dry to the touch. Allow for proper drainage to prevent root rot. Humidity. While silver staghorn ferns tolerate average household humidity, misting them occasionally, especially in drier climates, is beneficial. Fertilizer. Apply a diluted liquid fertilizer monthly during the growing season, spring and summer. Mounting. Repotting isn't necessary, but if the plant outgrows its mount, consider remounting it on a larger base. Common silver staghorn fern concerns. Troubleshooting tips. Brown fronds. This could be due to underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sun exposure. Adjust your watering routine and provide adequate light. Frond curling. This can indicate underwatering. Increase watering frequency and ensure proper drainage. Pests. Inspect your fern regularly for mealybugs or scale. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Silver staghorn fern. A rewarding addition to your plant collection. With its captivating looks and surprisingly low-maintenance nature, the silver staghorn fern is a fantastic choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following these simple care tips, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that will grace your home for years to come. If you have any further questions about the silver staghorn fern or other captivating plants, feel free to reach out. Happy planting!